Hi there foodies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some delicious garlic butter Hasselback potatoes. These are absolutely divine and they are so easy to make. So first you are going to melt some butter, add your grated garlic, parsley, and some chili flakes, and some bouillon. Now the peppers are optional. Then you're going to wash, make sure to scrub your potatoes very well, and then you're going to slice it. Please do not slice your potatoes all the way through, like 3/4 of the way, and it should look something like this. Then you're going to scoop the mixture right over the potatoes, and then you're going to brush it. Make sure every crease and crevices of these potatoes are covered. Put in your baking dish and you are going to bake them until they are nice and tender. If you want to add some Parmesan here, be my guest. It's going to be even more delicious if you're using cheese. I was not, so I didn't add any to mine. All right, then I baked some juicy chicken. I'll leave everything I used to making this chicken in the description box. Y'all need to make this chicken as well, guys. It is so full of the bone. All right, this was also eaten with some broccoli. That is my garlic butter broccoli. I'll leave the link to making that as well. And that's it, guys. Our delicious garlic butter Hasselback potatoes are done, and we are going to dig in. That's it, dinner was served. It is super easy, and I do hope you guys make this one. If y'all are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and drop me a comment as well. Make sure to share this video, guys. I love you all. Be kind to yourself and each other. Bye-bye.